Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to review the new launched product name, Premade blog site. The name itself has the description of the product. Just pre-made of blog sites that already use. And it that really original things which has premium blog sites. Can we use them for our blog or affiliate products? Or just a fake promising marketing gimmick? Or is that product has 100% risk-free usages of money-back guarantee if we are not satisfied with this result? Let's dive into the video to find the truth. This is the product's sales page. Done for you affiliate blogs websites is where the author begins. Fully monetized blog sites that are ready to use. In 45 seconds, create your OWN niche empire network. Upload, configure, and finish. In seconds, create your entire affiliate blog site. Preloaded with more than 20 articles, ad management is simple. Multiple income sources, on a self-growing site with free daily traffic. Sounds fantastic, but is it true? Let's investigate deeper. These are the blog's screenshots. Immediately after purchase, you will be downloading 10 niche blogs. Yes, that looks fantastic, and they are unquestionably profitable blog sites. And he's giving us a screenshot of the earrings we can manufacture right now with this blog. Yes, it appears to be genuine. Similar to. Imagine seeing results like these with affiliate blog sites that are already built. He also claimed that we would receive a higher ranking in Google searches. Millions of individuals are looking for the latest product reviews and information in this sector on the internet. Google tends to rank blog websites higher. These are the screenshots you're looking at. He also mentions people spend billions of hours on Google looking for information on any topic. However, only sites with a lot of new content that is updated on a daily basis are rewarded with all of this free traffic. And have a peek at this. Premade blog sites is the product name. What are we going to get inside? Let's see. WP affiliate blog site is what we get. Preloaded with more than 20 articles. Search engine friendly. Amazon and ClickBank are used to monetize all products. All required plugins are installed in 1 minute. Premium WP affiliate blog site theme is included. That sounds fantastic. Another concern is whether they offer a risk-free purchase, meaning that if we are not satisfied with the product, we will be eligible for a refund. Yes, let's check that out right now. Yes, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Sounds fantastic. Now let's get into the video's sweet spot. That is the part about free bonuses. You will receive double benefits here. One by the author. Another zip and a video. Author bonuses are now available. 5 ready-made video sites free bonus number 1. Free bonus number 2, 5 Amazon affiliate sites that are already built. Third free bonus. Blogging for ClickBank. Bonus number 4, free. Improved blogging. Number 5 free bonus. Beginner's Guide to Making Money from Blogging. As well as another. The first 300 buyers will be invited to the event. How to make $1,000 per day and more. Is a live event. Class. You may start producing $1,000 per day, or more. Right now and be on your way to 6 figures with this proven approach. Secret live training never seen before. It sounds fantastic. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from Zpanda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the ZPanda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. Keep safe, bye until next time.